mom. She keeps filming. My mom, she's a new vlogger, so she keeps filming. She didn't even wave to me. She did nothing. She just like, I need to film this. Sorry for my hair, but it's fine. Here is a beautiful, almost mountainous area with, I think they're grapes. Here are some, I don't know, field. There were some horses. And this is the camping. So it is called Kaverzinskie waterfalls. So you can rent some places here, the fireplace, the place where to sit, and here we are. So we have arrived to the base and to the camping, and basically we're told to get some firewood. We can go from fireplace to fireplace to check if there is anything here. So here is nothing, as you can see, but it's fine. Сейчас позову самого молодого позову. Дрова колоть будешь, Владик? Вон, смотри, дрова.
Вот дрова.
Все, сейчас сделал, спасибо большое.
Просто там нету ничего на чем-то вот.
Ну вон что, чурбак
да,
есть?
вон чурбак есть.
Ага, сейчас сделаем.
Ой, вот хорошо так у тебя получается, Денис.
Разлетаются.
So you are the experienced one. Here's the Krasnodar region landscape. You can see there is a pine tree and there is a banana tree because Krasnodar is in the subtropical region. Так с первого раза не каждый сможет. А я смотрю, так у него раз и получилось прям.
Ну это первая была хорошая.
Да и сейчас тоже.
Еще мы переворачиваем и обухом. Тогда вообще не разбит. Видишь, весь сучка.
Спасибо большое за дровишки. А грибы есть?
Грибников куча, но грибов нет.
Ну вот.
Вот пошли дожди.
Then we tried some local wine and spoke about politics. Checked the house. They have 2 bedrooms without any heating, and it costs 4,000 rubles per night for the whole house. We grilled some meat, fed a dog with cheese, brewed some mulled wine, and then grilled sausages,
So we're going
examined
to feed
local
the
flora.
horse. We got some peppers. What do you have? Cucumber. Yeah, cucumbers. Cucumber. Okay, cucumber, bell pepper, cucumbers, and we're going for the horse. So while my relatives are cooking, I have decided to go a little bit to the forest and see what's going on. Okay, it's not the forest yet, because here are still some more places here, like where people can sit and have some fire and stuff, but we're going to walk around a little bit. And here we have a tiny river behind me, and I can see the first mushrooms. Let's see what they are. Between this forest and the Swedish forest is, first one in Sweden, I've been to the forest with mostly pine trees and some fir trees, just because they use those for the paper factories, and I lived around paper factories. And here you can see the forest where basically trees have not been cut, so it's a great thing. And I found you guys. So yellow, and you look around, you're like, oh, chanterelles, I should go there. I will find mushrooms there. But they are just the leaves, and it's just the beginning of the autumn here in Krasnodar, so there are not so many leaves yet falling. I mean, there are not so many yellow leaves. As you can see, a lot of trees, they're still green, and you would not say that it is autumn yet just by looking at the trees. But if you look at the ground, you're like, some leaves are here and there. So everywhere. Oh, family. This is a very interesting fallen tree. So I thought that it was maybe some kind of camouflage, but these are natural vines, so that are just around the tree. And I think we found some mushroom species on it. Wow, so huge. In Sweden, I have not seen such huge lines of mushrooms growing on the trees and stumps. I don't know why. Maybe because, again, those forests where I went to, they were not natural. Not so many trees fell down naturally, so kind of they were not infected. And here you can see it was broken, probably because of the storms. And a lot of stuff grows on it now. Let's go to the creek, to the barbecue. I guess the meat should be ready by now. So they were cooking, we were walking, and it's time to eat. Meow. The table is ready, and we got a cat. There is no picnic in Russia without a cat. Yes? Oh, a purring cat. And some dog. Cat came for what? We have some barbecued meat. We have some leaves of salad, homemade sausages, and pickled. Only. So here are some cheese buns and cinnamon buns and smoked zander. If you thought there are only 2 of them, you are wrong. There are 4 more. Meow, meow, meow. No. You are not going to eat it. You are not going to eat the fish. No. So what else do we have here? We have some tomatoes. Oh, I thought it was vodka, but that was liquid for the fire. So we have some juices and the wine. And now we're going with Mom to the forest to pick up some old branches for her handmade stuff, and let's see if we will find anything. Let's go. So I found something that my mom would love. These are the coral-like mushrooms, because they look like corals, so she can easily use them for her seaside craft. So I'm picking stuff for her. Oh my god, guys, I found a mushroom that I always wanted to find in Sweden, but I was never able to. I'm going to show you this. So this is the yellow jelly mushroom, or оранжевая дрожжалка. I really wanted to find it in Sweden, but I was never able to see it, even though there are a lot of fallen trees, but not that type of trees. It really feels like jelly, and it's kind of nice and jiggly, and you can eat it just because it's like one small. I will not pick it. I will see, I'll walk around. If I'll find more, maybe I will come and return for this one, but if not, I will just let it be here. Plus 1 mushroom to my collection. But look, it is kind of jiggly a bit. Nice, beautiful mushroom, and it is edible. The biggest difference between forest in Krasnodar region and Sweden is the slopes. So this is quite high. Look over there down is a creek. So basically you always have to climb up the hill or the tiny it's not a mountain, yeah, it's a hill, but you always have to climb up to be able to pick the mushrooms. Oh, we don't have flat forests here. So I'm on the top of this little hill, so I'm going to figure out what's going on here, if here is anything, and if not, I'll have to go down. And it kind of shows the slope over there. So in this region, it's more like of an exercise, like climbing exercise, when you go to the mountains, because they are kind of mountains. And in Sweden it's more flat, at least in the area where I was, like in Upplands, Norrland Upplands. Okay, maybe I'll pick this moss for my mom too, because it looks like a coral. So when she dries it, she can use it. Whew. Tired. So the car got stuck. We're going to check if they need some help. So this is what my mom collected, different wooden things. So this, I'm going to show you. Okay, what does it look like? Does it remind you of anything? So at first when I looked at it, I looked maybe at this side, so it looks like a crow. And then my mom told me to look at the left side. That looks like maybe a dog or a lion with a mane or something. So it could be double creature. I completely forgot to shoot the final video, the closing part for this trip. And today I have a night shift at work. So that's why I'm with my night, how we call it, ammunition, with my headphones and headset and everything ready for the calls. And thanks everyone for watching. If you have any questions, comments, please leave them in the comment section below. I like to read all of them. And see you again. Bye bye.